You ready, Parker? Here comes the big jumbo set. Whoa! Whoa! Cool! Wow, look at all these toys.
Marco, two big chairs with Parker.
Hey guys, welcome to Playtime with Parker. So today, Mommy and Parker are going to be playing with the Kid Connection Jumbo Vehicles playset. Whoa, it says try me. Parker, can you push it? Right there?
Right there.
Right there. You have to push it kind of hard.
Wow.
But anyways, so we're gonna unbox this now and get to playing.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You ready, Parker? Here comes the big jumbo set. Whoa, cool. Wow, look at all these toys and cars. Wow, this is so awesome. You got monster trucks, you got a huge lifted truck. You have like army dudes here, yield signs and cones. So awesome. Hey guys, real quick, if you like today's toy, go ahead and click the like button. And also click the subscribe button so that Parker and Mommy know that we need to get fun toys like this for the future. Okay? We're in play now. Wow. Oh, these are all tied down. Check out this little mini big rig. Look at it. He's towing all these cars. How cool is that?
Beep, beep.
Beep, beep. I got precious cargo.
My Marco.
Look at these awesome monster trucks that are coming your way, Parker.
Oh, look. Oh, wow. Wow.
Okay. So we're getting all our stuff out and we're gonna set up our rally scene. Definitely have to have cones going because the cars are gonna be weaving through. Let's get the rest of the stuff. Start, go. And we'll do the big cars. Okay. So now we're gonna build, oh wow, look at Parker. He's building an awesome, what is it? Obstacle course? Is that what you're doing, Parker? We have to build it big enough though for these big rigs to go over because they're gonna go like this, Parker. They're gonna go like this. Silverado's coming into town! Crush, 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 crush. Oh, it ran over someone too. Okay, ready to do the obstacle course? Okay, this is gonna be cool. Let's see, these are pretty tight corners. So the finish line is over here, guys, okay? And the start is gonna be right here. Do you think the Ford F-150 can do this, guys? Because here we go. You ready? Vroom, vroom. Beep. Vroom. Okay, he's gotta do it without knocking over any cones. Whoa, look at this turning. Whoa, smash! Yeah! Whee. You wanna put one of the military guys on here? Oh, you're gonna put the cars back? We should have a race between all these cars. These little ones. These four. Okay. So same, as you guys can see, the same track.
The coverage. The coverage.
It is stuffed. Parker, you want to race these? Race? Come here. We go 3, 2, 1, and go and see who wins, okay? Come over here. Come here, honey. Parker, come here. You ready? Or you want mommy to do it?
Bless you.
Okay, should we do this in heats or just all at once? All at once?
I
Ready?
think you gotta do heats of 2.
Okay. Parker, tell me when.
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa! Yellow is clearly the winner. Good job. Okay. Tell me when, Parker.
Go.
Dang! Winner is still dominating. Okay. Ready? Tell me when.
3, 2, 1, go.
Who won that one? Is
That
that
was
a tie?
green.
Green?
Green one barely.
Wow, okay. Alright, here comes the
The championship race.
3, 2, 1. Parker.
3, 2, 1, go.
Green!
Green
Winner of the
one.
way! Parker, you want to push them? Here, you push. Push them. Come over here.
Come on, here.
Yeah, push it over there. 2 at once. Let's see who wins. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa!
Whoa.
Did you see the wheelies? The red did? Awesome! How cool! 2 big ones. Go. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Crush. Crush.
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa!
Oh.
Okay, these two next.
The green.
These two next.
3. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh, Mater?
Later.
Yeah. Big red.
Big red.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, crash.
Wow.
Crash.
Big crash.
Great crash.
Giant blue.
Giant blue and big red. Love it.
Whee!
Okay. You want to race these two? Okay, here, put them down there. Okay. Whoa, you went sideways. Big red. What's this one? Red.
Crash to daddy.
Big
Okay.
red crash. Oh, big crash to daddy.
Vroom.
Whoa! And then Parker's turn. Okay guys, so Mommy and Parker are going to continue to play with this awesome jumbo vehicle set. Well, I can't even count. 1, 2, 6. There's over 10 cars in here, and cones and signs. This toy is super cool. Guaranteed for you guys to have a fun time. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Bye!